In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupon codes in Stripe.com for 2025. Whether you're looking to boost sales during promotional periods or reward loyal customers, creating coupon codes in Stripe is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in to get started. First, we need to head over to the Stripe dashboard. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials and access your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home Stripe page. This is where everything begins. Now, let's navigate to the product catalog. This is essentially the section where you manage your products, plans, and all things related to what you're offering. In the dashboard, you should see a tab labeled Product Catalog. Click on it. This will take us to the hub of all your product offerings. With access to your product catalog, you'll notice an option labeled Coupon in the dashboard. Click on this option. This is where we can create, manage, and review all your current and past coupon codes. The next step involves clicking on the Create Coupon button. Once you're in the coupon section, this button is typically displayed prominently. Click on it to start setting up a new coupon. Now, it's time to fill out your coupon details. First, enter a name for your coupon. This could be something descriptive that helps you and your team easily identify the purpose of this coupon, like Summer Sale 2025 or Welcome Discount. After naming your coupon, you'll need to assign it an ID. This ID serves as a unique identifier in Stripe system. It's good practice to use something clear and relevant, such as Summer 25 for a 25% off summer sale coupon. Next, let's focus on the discount percentage. Here, you specify how much of a discount this coupon will provide. For instance, if it's a 25% discount, simply enter 25 in the provided field. Once the discount percentage is set, you'll need to determine the coupon's duration. Click on Duration to specify whether this is a one-time discount, a recurring discount valid for multiple billing cycles, or if it lasts indefinitely. Choose the option that aligns with your promotional strategy. Lastly, to finalize everything, go ahead and click on the Create Coupon button. This action saves your new coupon and makes it ready for customers to use. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a coupon code in Stripe. Remember, offering dynamic and timely discounts can significantly enhance customer engagement. So think creatively about how and when to use these coupons for maximum impact. Don't forget to check back in your coupons section to manage or review them as needed. Happy campaigning!